Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a mango pastry. So for that, first we will prepare a mango cake, and today I will prepare a mango cake without egg. So eggless cake. So first I will prepare the mango cake, then I will show you how to prepare the cream for the pastry. So let's get started and prepare mango cake first. For preparing mango pastry, first we need to prepare some mango puree out of 3-4 mangoes. Here I am using 3 mangoes to prepare the puree. Just cut it into small pieces and put it in blender. And now in a frying pan we will add this puree and we will add some sugar. We will add 4 to 5 spoons sugar in it. Mix it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. We will not use any gelatin or agar-agar for this pastry. And next we will add this lime juice, 2 to 3 spoon lime juice in it. Now it's almost done. Let it be little cool, then we will prepare the cake. So now our mango puree is ready, and we will use 1/3 cup of mango puree for preparing this cake. And we need 1/3 cup of unsalted sweet cream butter, or you can use salted butter, or you can use cooking oil as well. And we need 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. So these are all our wet ingredients. Mix everything nicely. Mix it. So next we will add our all dry ingredients with it. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 tablespoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And now sift the flour and mix everything. So mix all wet and dry ingredients together. Mix it, and next we will add some milk in it. We will use 1/2 cup of milk to make this mixture. Give a nice mix and add little more. So if needed, you can use more milk to make this mixture smooth. So now our batter is almost ready. Cake mixture is ready, and next we will prepare our baking tray. So here is our baking tray. I just place a parchment paper and add some butter on it, and we'll spread some all-purpose flour and grease it with this. So spread it all over. Now this baking tray is ready, and we've already preheat our oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degree centigrade. And now our cake mixture is ready. We will just add our last ingredient, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in it, and that's it. We will pour it in this baking tray now. And now we will put it in oven, preheated oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit, and we will bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. So now tap it and make sure no air bubble is there, and put it in oven. And after 30 minutes we will take it out from oven and keep it aside and let it be little cool. And next we will prepare the cream for pastry. For preparing the cream, we will take 1/2 cup of whipping cream and 1/4 cup of sugar, and mix it with electric hand blender for at least 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 minutes it will be very thick cream, and it will not comes out from the container. And then we will put it in refrigerator for at least half an hour, and after that we will prepare our pastry. So now put it in refrigerator. So now almost half an hour over, and our cake has become cool, and we take it out from the baking tray and place it in a big place or in a big chopping tray, and we will make the pastry. So first we will cut the side, 4 sides like this, and make a square shape. and next we will cut it in two equal parts like this. And now we will spread this cream on top of one piece like this. So spread all over it and all side also. So make a thick layer of cream. And next we will put the another piece on top of the cream. So again we will do the same thing. We will spread the cream all over the cake, cover the all corners, all sides, and spread nicely like this. Make a thick layer of cream. And now all sides are covered nicely, and now we will put it in refrigerator for at least half an hour, and then we will do our next step. So after half an hour we will put the mango puree on top of it. That puree we prepare before preparing this cake. So it has no agar-agar or gelatin. It's a pure mango puree. Just spread it on top of the cream like this. So cover the whole cake like this, all side and all corners. So now it's almost ready. This looks so nice, and our mango pastry is almost ready. And now we will cut it into 4 equal pieces. So here is one piece is ready. I'm showing you. Here is our homemade eggless mango pastry is ready, and it looks very nice and tastes also very yummy. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. So please try this at home. You can decorate this pastry according to your taste with some nuts or some cream, whatever you like. So please do like, comments in my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.